Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Easy Toys Lingerie Laundry Bag. So let's get started. So this is the laundry bag itself, specially designed for lingerie. It prevents Velcro clothing from accidentally breaking your lace lingerie set or perhaps your fishnet stockings from hitting a sharp zipper. It protects your lingerie such as bras, panties, suspender belts, tights and stockings. It's simple and easy to use. Simply pop your lingerie in as demonstrated. Make sure the zip is completely shut and it's ready to go in with a regular wash, and because of the material it protects your lingerie from being damaged by other clothing. Simple and easy to use, and you can use the laundry bag again and again. And that is the Easy Toys Lingerie Laundry Bag. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.